Introduction to Slow Motion in KineMaster.
Cinematic slow motion effects make videos more dramatic and engaging. KineMaster, a powerful mobile video editor, lets you create these effects easily. In this guide, you'll learn how to use KineMaster's features to produce smooth slow motion videos directly on your phone. Perfect for action, sports, or creative clips without needing a computer or advanced editing skills.
Importing your footage.
Start by opening KineMaster and creating a new project. Tap the Media option to import the video you want to edit. For best results, use footage recorded at a high frame rate, such as 60 frames per second. This provides smoother slow motion playback and avoids choppiness when the video speed is reduced.
Applying slow motion effects.
Select your video layer on the timeline. Tap the speed control icon, usually shown as a speedometer. Adjust the speed slider to slow down your video. Try values between 0.25x and 0.5x for a cinematic look. Preview the change, and if the motion seems jumpy, experiment with different speed settings until it looks smooth.
Enhancing with transitions and audio.
To make your slow motion stand out, add transitions before and after the slowed section for a polished feel. You can also adjust or add music and sound effects. Lowering the pitch of original audio or replacing it with dramatic background music helps keep the effect cinematic and engaging.
Exporting and sharing your video.
Once satisfied with your edit, tap the Export button. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. Higher settings retain more detail. Save the video to your device or share directly to social platforms. With these steps, you can easily create impressive cinematic slow motion videos using just KineMaster on your phone.